how to retrieve Yahoo email account. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. If you are unable to retrieve your Yahoo email account, then this video is right for you. Firstly, go on any browser you have and search for www.yahoo.com. Now, this type of homepage will be appeared, where you have to click on the sign in button in the upper right corner. After that, enter your username or mobile number that is linked with your account. Click on next and verify your identity by entering the name you used to create your account. And again click on next and the application will send the code to the mobile number that you entered. Write the code you get and click on verify. Click on your account and that's it. This is how easily you can retrieve your Yahoo email account on your device. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel Quick Guide. We'll see you on next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.